Hard work, work. Hard work. That's what they say. Hard work, work. Hard work. You're doing it right.
So this thing has some of the worst instructions I've ever seen on anything. That's kind of what it's going to look like, just to give you an idea. But
Are they stickers?
yeah, the instructions are position and smooth on the surface.
So they're stickers.
Questions?
I think we got it.
Want to center it on the wall, so we need to find center mark.
I don't think she's gonna mind if it's off by an eighth of an inch. Just saying. I know you will.
I will.
I know you will, but I don't think she's gonna mind. The level of dedication to the center of this thing is admirable. You don't want to take the light switch into account. I mean, you could minus the amount of light switch, average it out, or at least find a mean between the two. That way, you're kind of getting a.
Okay, should we do that?
No, you should not.
Really pretty sparkle.
Sparkly! That's sparkly!
It's nice to go to your armpit.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Okay.
Nice.
Should we save this little top part for Wallstrom? And bring in a step stools?
There you go, Wally. Good luck. We're all counting on you.
How's it going?
No, it's going as you'd expect. There we go.
Am I helping or am I making it worse?
You want the answer?
Don't rip it. Oh, careful.
If you say don't rip it one more time, I'm gonna rip it. Just it's just that edge. It's because we don't cut them.
Oh, I ripped it. Just kidding.
I would have laughed. Would have been funny. Where's it go? Like this thing goes in there.
Can you hold it straight?
You know, I'm holding it up. Okay. Straight is your job.
Do you need a phone book?
I'd say this one can be where the error is. Get this lined up to the top would be my. Because that one is going to be obvious. This is absolutely yours to put on.
You're not that short.
Oh,
That's the wrong one.
no, that's the right one. I thought it was the top one, but this is the top one. That's why I made the height joke.
I know. That's why I said this one right here and pointed to the really low one that we're putting on this.
Good point. You know, it would make, it does make sense now that
Okay,
Well,
so,
just for that-
so Chris is like this tall. So I really want to make him put that one up.
I got it. Oh, it
That
is
is
the
straight.
crown. It is the crown.
Yeah.
You know, it's your daughter's room. You should.
It's like putting a star on top of my Christmas tree,
It
man.
is. You know, I'm sorry. The flag on the princess castle. I understand. Oh, that's so pretty. If I were a princess, I would live in that castle. Until the ogre came and destroyed it. What are you doing?
That was crooked.
25.
Okay, it's 8:25. I've been up since 5. What time have you been up since?
2:30.
2:30? Okay, we were supposed to meet at 7 o'clock, which is 8 o'clock Air Force time, so it makes sense. So Chris was supposed to be here to help us put up this. He didn't show up.
It took us an hour and a half.
We
That's
called
pretty good.
about halfway through, right? About 7:30, 7:45.
About that.
So we figured he'd show up maybe, a little bit later because he said he was on his way. That was an hour ago.
It's an hour ago.
So we have finished that. We finished that all the way to the top where you couldn't reach. And still no Chris.
Well, in fairness, he is Air Force.
True.
He was going to need some, proper air conditioning, and you want to make sure his socks were clean. And
So we're going to call him again.
I don't think he answers.
I don't think he answers either.
He's probably
Took
getting.
a nap. What excuse do you think he's going to pull?
He's getting his diaper changed.
Diaper change? Okay.
I mean, he's changing a diaper.
Oh.
Yeah, right.
Call has been forwarded. Record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Is that him?
That is him. Look, he's calling. I don't know how's your phone work?
I don't know. Phone engaged.
Does it say Fat Chris on it?
Yeah. Well,
Hello? Hello?
Chris.
Did he call us? Are you there? I think he butt dialed our recall. So not only did he not answer, he butt dialed us.
He hung up on us.
What's he doing? Chris? So we know he has his phone on him.
Yeah. Which means he checked his phone, put it back in his pocket, and then butt dialed us.
I'm gonna need to blur out his phone number, or should we leave it on there? Let everyone call him? I think he just farted.
Might have.
So we're gonna call back and leave a voicemail to figure out how to blur that on the video. I don't know how to do that yet.
Masking tape. You put it on your TV screen.
Everyone put masking tape right there so you can't see it.
Call has been forwarded. Please record your message.
Hey, Chris, we're really in a bind here, and we need a third set of hands. If you could head over, we only need you for like 10 minutes now, but we're really stuck, and we need an extra set of hands.
Really, it's just getting up to the very top is the problem.
True.
Yeah.
Could we use a ladder?
We could, but we're gonna need someone on our shoulders.
Shoulders. Oh.
Yeah. So I'll get at the top of the ladder.
Yeah.
You steady, we'll put him on the shoulders. Love you, Chris.
Yeah. Thanks for showing up.
All right, man.
All right.
I'm gonna go
Sleep.
I'm gonna go sleep. Goodbye.